Here's how a student can get Claude AI Pro for free. First, open a browser and search Claude for Higher Education. Once you search it, click on the first website. It should redirect you to this page where you can click Contact our education team. Then it will redirect to the page where you put your information. Before you start, you can see Claude has two programs, to be a Claude Ambassador or to be a student builder. Pick the one you want and you can just start filling your information. They ask for your name, phone number, your school email, job titles, etc. Just keep in mind that for your school email is to be valid. Once you have done, you look something like this. All you need to do now is to wait for their email so that you can get your approval. Also, it's important to note that in some countries, unfortunately, application has already closed for the spring session. So you just need to wait until they open it again, and that's how a student can get Claude AI Pro for free